Hello, I'm Javanikita. Today's topic is the blood. The blood is a fluid of connective tissue. The main function of the blood is that transport oxygen and nutrients to the cells and provides carbon dioxide and the other waste products. The blood is the main system. The blood is the main product in our life in our body to transport oxygen and carbon dioxide and other nutrients to transport from one part to another part, and then the supply of many nutrients to the function proper function of our organs. The characteristics: the viscous, thicker and sticky, and it's a sticky structure, and then temperature is 38 degrees Celsius. And the pH is 7.35 and 7.45 is a slightly alkaline. Then the color is a various with oxygen content with O2 is bright color, means O2 oxygen level is high, then the color of blood is a bright red color, and the less of O2 this is a dark red color, then means level of oxygen in our blood, then the color of blood is the dark reds, means it's depend upon the oxygen level in our blood. Then the value: adult male is adult male minimum means moderate to 5 to 6 liter, and in adult female 4 to 5 liter. Then function of blood: first function is the first function is transportation means the transfer of main nutrients or oxygen levels or carbon dioxide. Others need to function needs, then blood transport from one organ to another organ. Then the lungs is a transfer to oxygen to body cells, and then the body cells transfers carbon dioxide to lungs. Its transportation functions is carried out by the blood in our body, and means and second transportation is occurring as example as GI tract. GI tract means in our GI tract nutrients blood supply to body cells, and the endocrine glands and hormones and body cells. The blood also transports heat, and blood also heat transfers and gathers waste products from various organs from elimination from the body, elimination of the body. Then second is regulation. The circulating blood helps to maintain homeostasis of all fluids. Blood helps in maintaining pH in our body. The blood helps in adjusting the body temperature, like water means it's maintain temperature from external body, and internal body temperature maintained by the blood. This is blood osmotic pressure, inflammation, water content of cells, and interaction of ions and proteins means. Then it's a blood is maintain internal pressure of our body and external pressure. Then it's maintain both our body pressure. Then third function is protection. Our blood is protects our body from internal foreign particles. Then the blood contains various antigen and antibodies. It's prevent from our body from bacteria, infections, various types of disease from foreign bacteria. Then protects blood clotting means protect from excessive bleeding. Then when if your body is any crashes or injuries occur, then blood clottings helps to protect and some changes and save from various infections. WBC protects against infection. WBC contains white blood cells contain antibodies, so it's prevent from various disease. Blood proteins in blood include proteins, antibodies, interferons, and complement helps to prevent from disease. Then blood plasma. Second is blood plasma. A straw colored fluid. It's blood plasma makes up proteins, water, and other solute. Then proteins contain albumin, globulin, fibrinogens, and other proteins. Then water, 91.5% present in blood plasma. Then other solvent present 1.5% in blood. In other solutes include electrolytes, nutrients, and gases. And protein present 7%. Protein present 7% in blood. Then it consists of platelets, and white blood cells, and also red blood cells. White blood cells in white blood cells contains granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes contain neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, and granulocytes present lymphocytes and monocytes in red blood cells. And the blood cells bloods all helps to hematocrits means the percentage of the hematocrits means the percentage of a total blood volume occupied by RBC is called as a hematocrits. The hematocrits, if hematocrits is 40%, it indicates the 40% of a volume of a blood is 40% of blood is composite in a WBC. Then WBC. Then normal range, normal age, adult female 38 to 46%, and adult male contained 40 to 54%. Formulation of blood cells, the process by which the formed elements of blood develop is called as hemopiesis and hematopoiesis. Then red blood cells, also called as erythrocytes. In erythrocytes, the blood cells contain oxygen carrying proteins, immunoglobulins, which is a pigment that gives whole blood its real color. Its shape is bioconcave. Its shape is bioconcave disc. Diameter is 7. RBCs have no nucleus. Then the cytosol of RBCs contains hemoglobin molecules. The lifespan of 100 to 120 days. Then the RBCs are highly specialized for their oxygen transport function due to oxygen transport due to no nucleus. Lot of internal space is available for oxygens. RBCs don't have mitochondria and generate ATP anaerobically, means without oxygen. The bioconcave disc shape also increase the surface area for diffusion of gas molecules into out of RBCs. Then RBCs, hemoglobins, HP. It is the iron containing protein in the blood. Then normal HP value 30 to 17 gram per day from in male, and 12 to 15 gram DL in female. So structure of hemoglobins. Structure of hemoglobin. HB globin consists of proteins called as a globin. So HB has a four polypeptide chains. Four chains are bound by non-protein pigment called as heme. So each ion containing oxygen with oxygen molecules. Thank you.